Let's talk about equivalent fractions on a number line. Take a look at my first two number lines. Both start at 0 and go to 1, and both are the exact same size. I can see that the first one is divided into halves and the second one is divided into fourths. When we look at a number line this way, it makes it really easy to see which fractions are equivalent or equal. I can see that 1/2 is at the same place as 2/4. So 1/2 is equal to 2/4. Here's another example. Both my number lines go from 0 to 1, but each one is divided into a different number of parts. The first one is divided into thirds, the second one is divided into sixths. I can see that 1/3 is equivalent to or equal to 2/6. I can see that 2/3 is equivalent or equal to 4/6. Here's our next example. The first number line is divided into fourths, the second one into sixths. I can see that 2/4 is the same as 3/6. Look at these two number lines. My first one is divided into fourths, and my second one is divided into eighths. They are both the same distance, so I can compare the fractions. 1/4 is the same as 2/8. 2/4 is the same as 4/8. And 3/4 is the same or equivalent to 6/8. Here's another example. My first number line is divided into twelfths. My second one is divided into eighths. 3/12, which is right here, is equivalent to 2/8. 6/12 is equivalent to 4/8. And 9/12 is equivalent to 6/8. Take a look at the different ways our number line was divided. We have it divided into halves, thirds, fourths, sixths, eighths, and twelfths. Our number line can be divided many different ways. This really helps us see which fractions are equivalent to each other. And that concludes our lesson on equivalent fractions.